Hey everyone, how are you all? Yesterday I have committed you that I will show you a beautiful sketch and I kept my promise and I came here with the most respected portrait of Radha. Before I explain about color shading technique, I would like to thank my viewers about my yesterday's video that how do I get my first 250 subscribers, and I explained some tips and tricks over there and you guys make it a big hit for me. If you have below 100 subscribers, then that video can work for you. The link is at description box, also at I button. Now all about shading technique. First of all, you can use only one single color. I suggest burnt sienna, and with soft hand give the first layer of shading. After that, you take lemon yellow and start to give very light layer. This time the layer will be at all over the face. Then use orange and red color for giving the shading. See, color pencil shading is far different from graphite pencil sketching. For the case of graphite pencils, the shading is monochromatic, means one color only we can see. But for the case of color pencils, we are working with many colors, and shade does not means only black color. With red or blue or orange color also we can give shade. So tomorrow I will come up with one particular video that will show you how to shade with color pencils. So if you are not my subscriber, then do subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you should get the notification as soon as I upload the video. Here, while I am working with the color pencil, I have used some techniques. And what are they? Like, first of all, hold the pencil side away. The far you will hold the pencil, the more fantastic shading you will get. Then practice by shading with two contrasting colors. Always take two contrasting colors like red and blue and then try to blend them. This technique will use fantabulously if you are working with color pencils. Master the art of burnishing. See, you will have to learn the blending technique. Tomorrow with my video, I will definitely show you the process of blending two or more colors so that minimum amount of strokes can be visible and the skin's texture or the outer surface will look more smooth. See, the way I am working with the hairs, it needs years of practice. For beginners, I will suggest directly don't go with the black color. It needs practice. Really, working with white and red color needs practice. So try to avoid them and work more and more, practice more and more, cause practice makes a man perfect. One more important thing is that try to blot with your eraser. Don't rub with eraser. While you are using your eraser to erase something, just blot it. If you rub the surface, the total shading will go and you will never ever will get the satisfied amount of perfection. On my next video, I will explain with example and in front of you, I will give the demonstration so that you can easily understand the blending technique with color pencils. So if you are not my subscriber, I am reminding once again, subscribe my channel and also press the bell button so that you must get the notification as soon as I upload my video. Here I must say, if you are a beginner, don't go for very high quality papers. See, normal sketchbooks with 200 GSM paper will go fantabulously. So see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Keep practicing. Take care. Bye.